Hi guys, I had quite a bit of people reach out and say that they have really enjoyed our vlogs and that they just wish that they were a bit longer. So instead of doing like daily vlogs, we're gonna just go ahead and try out a weekly vlog so I can have enough footage to make it longer than just about 3 minutes. So that's what we're doing. It's Sunday today and we just left church and we're gonna head to go get something to eat, and I'm gonna take the girls to the park. And I recently just posted it. Sorry if it's hard to hear me, but Sophie's in the background playing with a little toy. But after I had it hung up for a couple days, I kind of thought it needed something. So I went back to Dollar Tree and I got some more ribbon. And I just like added the little ribbon curls. So that's how mine came out. So if you haven't seen that video yet, the link to that will be in the description below. And then I just have a real quick Ibotta haul. So these Carnation Instant Breakfasts are normally $4.85 I think, or $84, something like that. So I get $1 back, and my kids drink these about every day. We put them in a blender with some milk and a frozen banana, and they just love them. And then the cereal is just like a 50-cent rebate. But what's super cool about it is that I also had a 25-cent any grocery order. So my whole thing I got back like $4. So I think that's pretty awesome. And I will leave the description to Ibotta below if you are wondering about it. I have a few videos where I talk more about Ibotta. So like I said, that will be in the description below. Sophie and I just got back from taking Emma to school, and she asked for waffles, so I just pulled out my big old giant bag of pancake mix from Sam's Club, and this lasts forever, and my kids eat pancakes and waffles all the time. It's a big old 10-pound bag, and it's like $6 at Sam's. It's amazing. You just have to add water, and we are out of cooking spray, so I had to spread butter on my waffle iron, and yeah. So it kind of spilled over. My countertop is uneven, so yeah. Hey, but this is real life. Okay, so here is dinner. It's kind of like a chicken Philly, basically. Awesome. So we have peppers, onions, chicken, cheese. Yes, thank you, Emma. On a hoagie. You're done? And provolone cheese is what the recipe called for, but I had mozzarella, so that's what I'm using.
I want cheese.
Now do it.
That is really good. But it really is hot.
We are at our church. They're having a back to school party, kind of. I think they're calling it a back to school bash. And there's like inflatables and a food truck, and there's probably going to be music. I'm not going to be able to vlog very much here because there's going to be so many people. I know you want to get out. It's not time. But there's going to be so many people here. It'll be really hard for me to blur out faces. So I'm going to see what I can do. But I should be able to get a little bit. Sophie and I are here to get Emma from school, and I just got done filming my kitchen organization video. It turned out so good, and it should have came out on Thursday. So if you haven't seen that yet, go check that video out. It was really awesome, and y'all guys voted on that opposed to my mesh wreath tutorial, which I'm still gonna do that, but it'll be probably maybe next week or the following week. So stay tuned for that. And Sophie was so funny. I was trying to focus and film, and she ran up to me with marker all over her. So I stuck her in the sink and let her splash some bubbles and play while I was doing it. But she's a mess, and I'll put a little clip in from that here. Sophie and I are meeting a friend for lunch, and we're of course early, like always. I just like being early places. I don't know why. It just is something about me. I would prefer to be early and sitting and waiting in my van than be late. I don't know. But yeah. So we're meeting a friend for lunch, and then tonight I'm so excited. There's a event that the ladies from church we're all going to, so I'm so excited, and I'm going to take you guys along with us. Sophie and I are here at Emma's school, just waiting for her to get out, and we come really early because she kind of freaks out if I'm not like the first couple cars. There's 3 cars ahead of me, and there's like an hour before they get out. But yeah, so Sophie's in the back seat watching a movie, and we're just munching on these grapes. We bought them at Winco. They had like a really awesome deal. And I'm just going to throw on some of these little nails for tonight. And I used to go get my nails done professionally like all the time, but I hated paying 50 bucks for nails when I could only get like 4 weeks out of them. And these nails are a buck at the Dollar Tree, and they last me a couple days. And this is the glue that I buy. It's a 2-pack, and yeah, so I just cut them down a little because this particular set is kind of long for me, so I just cut them down, and I have a file in here, and I'm just going to round them. I paint my nails a lot, but I'm a picker, so like I don't know why I do that, but I scrape off the nail polish. But yeah, so I do that. So these are awesome. Wave girlies.
And duties.
And
duties. And duties. And duties. And duties.
duties. My husband's finally home. Yay!
I said duty.
We are here going through the car wash and going to vacuum it out. just left the Halloween store and we came next door to the big Dollar Tree. Hi guys, we just got back from our shopping trip, and when we went to the big Dollar Tree, I found these really cool stickers. They're very similar to the My Planner stickers that you can buy that are really expensive. And you get over 300 planner stickers for $1, which is so awesome. Party.
We made that.
That one right there.
Oh, the one in the pink.
Well, we are at a birthday party right now, and we're just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. Bye.